as independent candidates, right? People have won with parties which are not very popular, right?
Yeah.
So, and people have also lost with ODM ticket.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Unapewa inakuwa moto, unakata uwezi tembea, unarudisha tu. Si ni kweli?
Yeah.
So I'm telling you, hii yetu iko kwa mkono ya Mungu. Wewe tu ngoja tu the day Babu Owino is being sworn in. I'm telling you, huyu jamaa hizi ni shinda bwana. Whether the sky comes to the ground or the ground goes to the sky, he cannot.
Irrespective.
I'm telling you, and as of today, the opinion polls, very credible, done, is ranking me at 67%.
Yeah.
Is ranking him at 13%. Is ranking Gakuya at 8%.
Yeah.
Ranking Waweru at 6%. Nyakera at 2%. My brother, statistically you cannot move from 13% to 67% in less than 2 years to elections, not unless something very drastic happens. But statistically, it is presumed that in every 6 months, because I'm a student of actuarial science, so naelewa mambo ya statistics. Mimi maneno ya figures, I'm still looking for a person who can beat me at mathematics, but maybe tutapata.